In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Monzo business account the right way. Before you tap anything in the app, start by making sure your balance is exactly £0. That doesn't just mean the main account screen. Check every pot linked to your business account because money sitting in pots still counts as part of your overall balance. Move any funds out of pots back into your main balance and then pay them out to where they need to go so nothing is left behind. Also, take a moment to look for anything that's still in progress. Pending card payments, incoming card refunds, bank transfers that haven't landed yet, and direct debits that are due soon all need to complete or clear first. If the app shows a pending transaction, give it time to settle or reverse. Once the main account and all pots are at £0 and there are no pending items, you're ready to proceed. Open the Monzo app and switch to your business account. If you also have a personal account in the app, make sure you're viewing the business profile so you're working in the right place. You should see your business account home screen with your recent activity and balance. Next, head into Settings. Scroll down the menu until you find the option to close your account. When you select Close Account, the app may run a few quick checks. If there's still money in the account or in any pots, or if something is pending, you'll get a prompt telling you what needs attention. Clear those items first and try again. You may be asked to confirm your decision and verify it's really you. Read any on-screen notes carefully so you know exactly what will happen next. If you're on a paid business plan, such as Pro or Team, switch to the Lite plan before closing the account. This ensures any eligible fee refunds are processed correctly. You can manage your plan from within the business account settings. Once you've downgraded to Lite and any adjustments have been applied, return to the Close Account option and follow the prompts to finish. That's it. To recap, set your total balance to £0, including pots, wait for pending items to clear, open the Monzo app and go to your business account, choose Settings and then Close Account. And if you're on a paid plan, switch to Lite first so refunds can be handled. Follow the on-screen confirmations and you'll be all set.